So here's the strut tower brace that my son had ordered for, fits a 2006 to a 2023 Dodge Challenger and or a Charger. But he picked this up and then he painted it red. It doesn't come with any hardware or anything like that. So let me go ahead and show you what we did to install it. Alright guys, you're going to have to bear with me. My son made this video, most of it. So he didn't have the best angles for most of this, but here we go. So first thing he was doing, he was taking the strut tower, or the strut bolts off first, so you can bolt the strut tower down. And then you're also going to have to take off the cover of the engine. He takes that off too. I'm not sure why. But these bolts here, they are I believe they are 9/16 on top of the strut tower for each strut. And now that he has the tower off, he's going to go ahead and test fit the strut on it, just to see the fitment of it, see how it feels. And just making sure everything is going to line up right. Excuse the camera angle. Our stand broke, so it kind of like drifted down. That's why it's all crooked now. He didn't realize it when he was shooting it, so I actually picked it up and shot it by hand the rest of the way. So he's going to put some covering under here now, so when he drills the hole, the metal shavings don't fall onto the engine. And you're going to get a drill bit and a 3/8 drill bit. We're going to drill through the firewall, so you can bolt the top of the strut to the firewall. Alright, now that he has the hole out, he can go ahead and just take the drill and just ream the holes out a little bit more, just to make sure he's going through the firewall all the way, because you're going to have to use it's a 4-inch bolt that goes through the tower brace, through the firewall, and we use a 3/8 bolt with a nut, with a washer, and then a lock washer with another regular lock nut on the back. Lock nut and a washer on the back of it, not a lock washer. So he's just cleaning the holes up now, preparing it for the bolts to go through. Alright, now he's putting the tower brace back in now, because he's getting ready to mount it up now and put the bolts through the firewall and hold it in. So there, he's going to start the first bolt, and that's going to be a 9/16 head, and then 9/16 for the nut on the back as well. So all the hardware matches, and then your 9/16 nuts on the back on top of the towers itself for the tower braces. That all has to be put back on too. As you can see, I think he did a really nice job of painting that to match the color of the car. So there's your 3 on that side. He did a really nice job of putting all that together. Now he's just setting the nuts onto the other side as well. Try to get you guys a better angle of it here. Just using a wobble extension, or extension and it is a wobble extension, just to give you a little bit more room inside there, because it's kind of under the bracket a little bit. Tightening everything pretty tight. If these are supposed to be torqued, I'm not really sure. When he took everything off, he said the bolts were not very tight, so he just, like I said, he just snugged everything back up. But if you guys want the torque spec, I'm sure there is a torque spec for them. You can just go on. I'm sure you can go online and find that torque spec, or I can look for you and I can put it on here real quick. Here's a final shot of the engine, guys. I think it looks pretty good. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys, and just have a great day. Thank you, everyone.